Rolling. Good morning, Pedro. Today is Monday, September 16th. My name is Wyatt Besco, and today is the first day of Spirit Week 2024. Woo!
This morning, Miss Malone will be meeting with Mr. Bouillon and Miss Jelong's homerooms to discuss graduation requirements during enrichment.
Today, our girl golfers will be on an OVC match, and our volleyball team will play against Sums Valley here at home. And our soccer team plays against Midford. At Midford, of course. And tomorrow's dress-up theme day is Teacher-Student Swap! Next Friday, we wrap up our Spirit Week activities by recording our 2024 Homecoming Lip Dub. Be ready for that!
At our homecoming dance is Saturday, September 21st.
Tickets must be purchased on Friday! There will be no sales at the door! Besco, good morning and good, oh my lord!